Module 11 is entitled Creating and Writing the Research Report. Now, a research report is a document that summarizes the findings of a research project, including the processes, data, and conclusions. It's usually considered an accurate and objective source of information. Research reports are produced by many organizations, including governments, educational institutions, and industry. They can be distributed publicly to clients or sold commercially. Now, in this module, the learning objectives are as follows. A. Write in a clear and concise style. B. Gather relevant information from a variety of sources. C. Write an abstract that is appropriate for the target audience. And D. Create and write a research report. This should be fun.